they are starting from 498 pesos.
Alright, so ayun guys, once again, welcome to Baram. Ito pong buffet and unlimited restaurant na to, located dito sa may Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, just along MacArthur Highway. And kagandahan dito, actually dun sa parang comment board nila, isa sa mga nagugustuhan nila is yung ambience. So just take a look at the place. It's parang, you know, newly designed place then that is suitable for, you know, family and group. So, it has several sections, no? This one is the sushi bar. So, if you notice guys, meron tayong mga Japanese dishes, mostly sushi. And then, on this left side ko naman, meron tayong mga meat section. So, ito yung mga roasted beef, mga roasted chicken. We also have baby back ribs, mga ganyan, no? So, ayan, si Chef, busy-busy siya ngayon. Siyempre, meron tayong mga sinaserve na mga customer. Okay, so moving forward, ito naman I think para sa mga kids. So mostly dito guys, meron tayong mga fried chicken, either classic or ang tawag dito, mga flavored. Meron din tayong mga pizza. Moving forward, meron din tayong mga lumpia, mga vegetable fritters, dumplings, sweet potatoes, and a lot more. So this is the first section over here. Dito sa gitna, papakita naman ni Mark.
On this side naman, ito yung mga other half ng ating mga buffet. So more on dito yung mga Koreans and mga Kapampangan dishes. Like meron tayo dito yung mga bulgogi, Western Cajun, meron tayong butter dory. Siyempre, meron tayong mga beef broccoli, Bicol Express. Ito yung mga local foods na rin natin. Meron din tayo dito yung garlic haricot birds. And siyempre, yung mga pigar-pigar. Ito yung mga hinahanap ko. Siyempre, di rin mawawala dyan yung mga sisig, mga seafood, and yung mga fried. Yan. So, kuha lang tayo. And siyempre, so dito na rin yung buffet. Added sa mga choices na pwede nyong kuhanin dito or gusto nyong kainin dito, meron tayong mga watermelon, meron tayong coleslaw, potato salad, and syempre, meron din tayo yung mga DIY ramyun. Syempre, di mawawala dyan, yung mga drinks natin. So, habang kumakain tayo dito sa Baram, to give you an idea, so si Baram Buffet, they are starting from 498 pesos for lunch ng weekdays. And for dinner naman, it's 548. And for weekends, the whole day is 548 pesos.
So, only buffet, only dishes, only grill.
Yes, so doon, kain muna tayo ulit.
Kain na!
So, for their promos, meron po tayo ditong birth month. So for example, your birth month is October. So the entire October guys, kahit ilang beses po kayo bumalik dito, 5 plus 1 tayo. Yung birth date nyo is 3 plus 1. For Barkadas, it's 10 plus 1. So if you go here by, by group, and yung pang 11 actually is their free person. So yun po yung mga promo nila dito. Try this one. It's a new buffet. I'm trying their soup now. Yan. Wow, mga dumplings to guys, dumplings.
Siyempre, dessert. So, dito, hindi lang puro Korean dishes. Siyempre, ang favorite natin mga native desserts nandito rin. Meron silang mango jelly, meron silang donut, meron silang coffee jelly, sprinkles, at siyempre, halo-halo!
Alright, so there you have it guys, another place for you to check out. Congratulations Baram Premium Buffet for opening up. And grabe, this is a place to check out for those who are food lovers, mga mahilig sa mga unlimited.
Lalo ka sa mga buffet.
Yes.
Talagang marami kayong options dito.
Exactly.
So, if you want to come here, ang pinaka-location nila is located lang sila dito sa may MacArthur Highway, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes.
And they are open from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tapos magkakaroon lang tayo ng window. Then,
Correct.
resume tayo ng 5 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Ayan. So there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope you see you in the next
So
one.
that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye, guys.